Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art is more lovely and more temperate. Rude winds do shake the darling buds of May. And summerless hath all too short a day. Sometimes too hot the eye of heaven shines. And often is his gold complexion dim. And every fair from fair sometimes decline. By chance or nature changing course untrimmed. But the eternal summer shall not fade, nor lose possession of that fair dews, nor shall death brag do one press in his shade. When an eternal limes 2 times do gross, so long as men can breathe or eyes can see, so long live this, and this gives lives to thee.